Hello and welcome to Steam It with Steve. Today we're going to go through the next level in our Code Combat Quest series line. So we're going to go down here and we're going to click on the 3 Shadow Guard levels. So if we open this one up, we need to run into spikes and then make sure that this ogre down the bottom here doesn't see us. So the goal is don't run into the spikes, collect all the gems, don't let the ogre see you, use cover to avoid being seen so the ogre can see straight up. So just for the lulz, let's see what happens if we go hero.move right, just to get to the end of the level.
Right. Move right.
Your hero has been slain. Better delete your last line of code and try again.
That didn't work so well then, did it? So, if we go back, what we're going to do is we're going to put in this, instead of hero.move right, we're going to do hero.move up, hero.move right, and then we're going to go hero.move down, and then hero.move right. Oh, and because I need to make sure that's capitalized. Awesome. So now what should happen, it should move right, then move up, move right, move down, and then move right to the exit with all the gems collected, but then this ogre won't see us.
Right. Move up. Move right.
Move down.
Move right.
Listen, Yuri.
Excellent. So that's all done, and then you just click on the map, and then you'll go back to the beginning. Awesome, so I hope you picked up something from that. See you next time on Steam with Steve.